All right, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Man, it's a beautiful day here in Tennessee. Beautiful day in Tennessee, guys. Coach Micheal Burt. I believe everybody needs a coach in life. I believe a good coach can change your life. And I've devoted the last 30 years of my life to coaching people. All walks of life, all socioeconomic backgrounds, coached in prison systems, blue collar, white collar, rich, poor. And I have a very, very strong foundation that I believe everybody needs a coach in life. Why? Because, man, we can't elevate to that level without somebody helping us. We just need a structure. We need a strategy. Right? So today I'm going to give you a strategy on how to activate and reactivate something that will go dormant in you. And it has a lot to do with mindset. You guys know I got the book coming out, Flip the Switch, that's coming out in January, which I'm incredibly excited about, coming out through McGraw-Hill. And so I do a lot of reading, Daniel Hodges, and I do a lot of thinking, and obviously I do a lot of coaching. And what I see in a lot of people is a lot of people don't have the right mindset that it takes to go pursue their potential, to pursue deals, to pursue opportunity. And so I like to say there's 4 mindsets you got to have be a high prey drive person. Okay? 4 mindsets that you got to have be a high prey drive person. Number 1, you got to have this mindset, and this is coming true with mortgage, real estate. The first one is there comes a time when winter asks what you did all spring and summer. There comes a time when winter asks what you did all spring and summer. And winter's always coming. Winter's always coming. Recession's always coming at some point. What you did last year ain't going to matter this year at some point. So the first mindset of a high prey drive person is they say there comes a time when winter asks a simple question. What have you been doing? Have you been prospecting? Have you been following up? Have you been working the system? Have you been going, right? That's what winter's asking. And it's always going to ask, folks, just like the seasons. Number 2, we go to bed tired and we wake up hungry. We go to bed tired and we wake up hungry. Here's the saying. We leave it all on the floor. We leave it all on the mat. We leave it all on the field. We're completely exhausted at the end of the day. We go to bed tired and we wake up hungry to go get it again. Prey drive has to be activated every day, right? So number 1, Freddie Blanton, is there comes a time when winter asks what you did all spring and summer. All the mortgage originators, all the real estate people, all the people who, Masha, good morning, all the people who were living in a false positive, thinking it's going to be easy, quit prospecting, they got out of the basics. And you never, Brian White, get out of the basics. Never. So there comes a time when winter asks what you did all spring and summer. Number 2, we go to bed tired, we wake up hungry. Number 3, and you guys have heard me say this one, it all goes to zero at midnight. Now, this is a trick you play on yourself. Some of you got residual income, you got money coming in from various places, you got passive income, right? It may not all go to zero at midnight, but this is something you tell yourself. So you tell yourself in the morning, man, I'm dead broke. You wake up and no matter what you got in your bank account, you tell yourself, I'm dead broke. It all went to zero at midnight. See, if you tell yourself, Tommy Davidson and Chad Free, it all goes to zero at midnight, then you wake up every day and you got to go into the jungle. The lion's got to go into the jungle to capture the food for the whole family to eat. And if he don't, the whole family don't eat, folks. So I go to bed tired, I wake up hungry because it all goes to zero at midnight, right? Now, so we're on mindset 3. Mindset number 4 of a high prey drive person is a mindset that King David had in the Bible. And King David, by all means, was not a perfect man. He had a lot of problems, but he became a great man, right? And he said, as we start this new month, here's the mindset. It's going to be a fight, but we're going to find a way to win. Now, let me tell you what I mean by that. David Stegg. We'll see David at Monster Producer at Monster Nation. I'm going to see Tommy Davidson at Monster Nation and his team. I'm going to see Chad Free at their team at Monster Nation. Come on, folks. Get your tickets to Monster Nation. Let's go. It's next Thursday and Friday. Fourth mindset is the mindset of King David. It's going to be a fight, but we're going to find a way to win. Here's what I do when I go into a project. I think it's going to be harder than I thought it was going to be. It's going to take longer than I thought it was going to. It's going to cost more than I thought it was, but I'm going to see it through to its conclusion. I'm going to take the concept, Greatness Factory, Success Schools for Kids, having a Monster Nation conference. I'm going to take the concept and I'm going to see it all the way through to its logical conclusion, which means I ain't giving up until we get there. Does everybody see that? I'm not giving up until we get to where we said we were going to go. Lots of people start, fall off the wagon, experience guilt. That's not you, man. So I'm giving you these today because we go there in the mind before we go there in the body. All things are created twice, first mentally, then physically. If you don't have these mental foundations in place, man, you just crumble. And you do what most of the world does, is you just give in and you give up. And you don't want to give in and give up, folks. So, have a great day. Everybody needs a coach. We still got time to get tickets to Monster Nation. Next Thursday, Friday, I got big conferences coming up. Retreats in October, November, December. Man, everybody needs a coach in life. Quit playing below the line. There's a few people I got on the fence right now thinking about coaching. Brian Covey. And I'm like, man, come on. Quit. Level up. Okay? A players do not want to play with B players. A players are decisive. A players make decisions. A players move. They don't stall. They don't sit. They don't wait. They don't put it off. And at some point, big time people are like, look, man, I'm tired of playing with you. Keep doing the production you're doing. Stay on the struggle bus until you man or woman up and make a freaking decision. Okay? Now let's go. I can't help people until they commit to something. Once they commit, I don't let them fail. The only time that fails is if they don't do the work. So, Kelly Iser, let's go. Let's have a great day, you guys.